everyone and welcome. I am very excited to share with you my new kit. It's called Sew Shabby, and if you cannot tell by the title, it is a sewing themed kit. There are 17 pages in this kit, and the reason I am super excited about it is because I have wanted to make a sewing themed journal for the longest time. I have been collecting stuff over the certainly last couple of years, possibly a bit longer. And I now have a basket full of all different sort of sewing patterns, vintage buttons and all sorts of different bits and pieces. So I thought it was about time that I broke into that basket and actually started making a sewing themed journal. So this is the kit that I have designed. I'm going to take you on a little flip through now. So as I said, 17 pages. There are a mix of journaling pages and background pages, and then also some ephemera as well. I really love the kind of shabby, grungy look. That's definitely my style. But I also wanted to make sure that there was some colour as well. So there are some lovely pinks and blues in here. But again, like I said, still appeals to my sort of shabby, grungy side. And I've tried to use lots of kind of faux stitching, lots of different vintage elements. So we've got some adverts, some tapes, some of the embroidery scissors, that kind of a thing. I really love this page as well. I love the kind of shabby bits that have been kind of blocked out, and the colour of that blue is just absolutely beautiful with that lace overlay. And another background page, faux stitching at the side, again a bit of a lace overlay. And this one has some scissors and tape measures in the background that again just got that kind of shabby texture over the top, just to allow for some journaling. And we've got this background page. I love those rulers up the side. And then we've got one that's full of all these different sewing machines. They've all got really cool patterns on them. And then this one has different vintage buttons. And then again, you've got those embroidery scissors, some stitching, and a beautiful little bow. And then we come on to the ephemera pages. So you've got a page of 4 pockets, again using elements from the background pages to create those. You have some tags. These ones I did not add that kind of shabby texture over the top because I thought it might be nice to keep them plain, and then they can be decorated however you like. Then I've got some larger ones. These are very sort of shabby and grungy. Again, we've got the vintage lady. We've got a mannequin that's got a lace overlay. But yeah, I thought they'd be fun. Nice large tags. We've also got an envelope and then one of the mannequin bodices. Then we've got a page of some fussy cuts. So we've got 2 here that could be journaling cards. We've got these that could be tucked into pockets. I thought this might make a nice tuck actually at the side of a page. I really love this piece of embroidery, and I've resized it so you've got 2 sizes, and then I removed the inside so again you can have a play around and create your own. Then we've got this page which has again the vintage ladies, a few words, a decorated tape measure, and then we've got 2 plain dresses. So I've left them black and white so they can be decorated, and I've sized them so they actually fit the mannequin in the kit as well. And then the last page is this one. So we've got 2 large journaling cards, we've got some bobbins here that have been decorated, and again some more words down at the bottom. So that's my sewing themed kit. I am really excited to get started. As I said at the beginning, I have been wanting to make a sewing themed journal for a long time. So I am desperate to get going. I also, very exciting, took a bit of a risk, put myself out there and asked if anybody wanted to be on my guest design team and work with these papers. I've never done a guest design team before. A couple of months ago in May, when I did the collaboration with Nathalie from Line.Arrow, we released a Bohemian summer kit together. And we did have guest design team members, but many of them were already on Nathalie's design team. So they just naturally took on my kit as well. So this is the first time I'm going solo with a design team. So it was very nerve-wracking. I was very nervous that nobody would want to respond and work with them. But I'm very pleased to say that I had a fabulous response, to a point where I actually had to turn some people away, because originally I was only thinking maybe 6 to 8 people on the design team, and I ended up accepting 12. So I went way over what I was expecting. And as I said, unfortunately, I did have to turn some people away. But I am hoping to do projects like this in the future. I release a kit, I'll have some guest design team members, and there will also be some challenges. So throughout July, for the first 3 weeks of July, there'll be 3 separate challenges. And then in the final week, it's just kind of a wrapping up of projects. And there'll be a prize draw for people that are actually following the challenges and using either the kit or, good news, some freebies that I'm going to be releasing as well. I will have more details about the challenges and the freebies in another video. So if you are not already subscribed to my channel, make sure that you do subscribe and click the bell button down below so you're notified of new videos. I will be showing off the first set of freebies and the first week's challenge tomorrow. So make sure you tune in to find out all of the details there. Right, that's all from me today. I am going to leave it there, but I hope that you are excited about this Sew Shabby kit as much as I am. Obviously, it would be fantastic if you head to the shop and purchase and perhaps craft along and join in with the challenges and the project builds. I will have all of my design team listed below, so again, you can go and check them out and see how they're using this kit as well. Well, thank you very much everyone for watching, and I'll see you in the next crafty video. Bye for now.